from the video I talking about the woman in Pattaya. Many women reaching out to me that living complete like slaves. When someone talking in Thailand, oh, you can get good money in European country. Many country they go to is not European country. This is East Europe. And Europe and East Europe is not Europe anymore. All country is almost bankrupt. So now there are only the criminal. When you coming to the country, passport taking. They take the passport from you and they put you in a massage place. You cannot walk out. So you are trapped. You have to pay the owner for the ticket to go there and go back. And when you go back, because you have to eat, there is no money again. So you can earn money. This is human trafficking. Human trafficking. And human trafficking is criminal all over the world. But this is the smart people. Give you a dream and you go after the dream. And the dream is not what it seems to be. It's so sad. This woman and many another woman reaching out to me is complete desperate. They cannot show anything. They are smart. They understand the life. If they make too much noise, they can be killed. Then they are not a problem anymore. I tell you people, listen to me. Maybe you don't understand now, but you will thank me later when you see your friend going there and come back in shock. No money. She will never be able to go home to the mother and father because she will be so losing respect. She come back without money. This is human trafficking, people. Human trafficking. I say human trafficking, this is not right. Human trafficking. They're using your dream. You are an innocent person that only want money. But you come to a slave place worse than prison. If you go to prison in Europe, you don't get so much trouble because you get money for every day, so you get home with money. Here, you don't get anything because they charge you for the ticket there and they charge you for the ticket go back. And that is over 30,000 baht. And they know, these people know how they can misuse you because you have a dream and the dream kill you because it's not alive anymore. You are trapped. Can you think about how much better you have if you're work in Thailand comparing to this? This woman have to read off 20 men in a day. I promise you, this man another person contacting me, he will never forget this woman. I will make so trouble for this man when she coming back. It is crazy, people. I'm shocked how people can easily use another person only because she want to have a dream. She want money for the family. And they misusing her. Come. When she coming, take the passport, lock up in the massage clinic, trapped, cannot go out. because she have no passport to show for her. Them scare her so much she don't know what to do. Believe me, I have seen the tears coming because this woman calling me, and she don't say anything, only tears coming out. She was in shock. That is unbelievable, people. You can thank me later when your friend going and you not going. Please don't go to another country. It is not what it is anymore. It is not what it is anymore, people. Please don't go.